welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I am Janiyah Amir, and today we are going to be cleaning out my car because it needs it. But before we get started, I do want to show y'all a before. Okay, because this is the outside of the car. The front is pretty bad. My car is not even black anymore. Windshield, bad. Tires, overall the whole car is bad. Let's go to the back. This is the back. I just have shoes, I have a jacket, a book bag, and this bag, I believe it has clothes in it. This is the front seat. This is the driver's side. This side's pretty bad. The seat, passenger side isn't really as bad. I just have wipes that actually belong in the coaster. This stuff I'm putting on front of my car to get the bugs off easier. And here's the back part of the car. The window is pretty dirty. All down here is pretty dirty. Just everything's dirty. Okay, now that I done gave a before the car, I do need to go to Advance Auto. I need to go there and get a couple of things for the car before we go to the car wash. So let's go ahead and get started.
Trust me, this is about revenge. I get along better with your friends.
Okay, so I'm now back in the car. I'm going to show y'all what I got. I didn't get too much, and I didn't record inside because there was actually a lot of people in there. But I got these protectant wipes, and I got this air freshener. That's really all I needed because everything else I have in here. But now that we got everything that we needed, now we can finally go to the car wash. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Pretty good. Before?
Can I get the custom wash?
Yeah. With your card today, and I'll help you out.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the
I know that I hurt you.
Yeah.
I was a child trying to be a man.
To all my sons worldwide,
All
my juniors,
I left you in
I apologize for my absence. I know I left you without a name to drop.
I'm standing right here.
I don't know how I expected you to get your clout up and get your money up, but don't worry. Daddy's home.
And I know I missed so much of your life.
Turn me up. Yeah. They niggas know they need to stop. Now I'm standing at the top, that's how I know you never seen the top.